You know I love to get cooking in my kitchen. It turns out there's something you can do to your broccoli to make it even healthier. Just chop it up. Broccoli is an excellent vegetable because of its high levels of a particularly beneficial compound called sulforaphane. But this compound doesn't just sit in broccoli florets. So, not to get too scientific on you, but basically you have to activate the sulforaphane by pulverizing it or finely chopping the broccoli and letting it sit for 40 minutes to an hour and a half before cooking it. You see, drier cooking methods such as grilling, roasting, and stir-frying also retain a greater amount of the nutrients than boiling. If you want to boil your broccoli, save the nutrient-rich cooking water to add to soups and to sauces. Sulforaphane helps control blood sugar and has anti-cancer benefits. Plus, you get more of it by eating the whole vegetable than by taking a supplement. We all know good things take time, and cooking your broccoli is no exception. Well, that's our daily power prescription. For anything you missed on today's show, just visit our website, thedoctorstv.com.